വോയിസ് ക്ലിയർ ആണല്ലോ അല്ലേ? Is it audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Start ചെയ്യട്ടെ മാം?
സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തു.
So good afternoon all. How are you? How are you all?
Fine.
Fine.
Happy to know that you all are fine and safe there. Have you had your lunch?
No.
Yes.
Okay. So today we are going to learn a story about an athlete. The title of our story is The Race, and it is written by Nisha Punjabi. So the title of our story is The Race, and the story is written by Nisha Punjabi. So before going into the story, everyone, please take your textbook, page number 8. I will read the first two paragraphs for you. Listen carefully. The Race by Nisha Punjabi. Tarun was a mediocre student. His grades could barely satisfy his parents. And he was not a good singer, dancer, painter, or even an actor. He always thought of himself as the black sheep of the family. His elder brother, who was pursuing a degree in engineering from a reputed college, always made the family proud. But Tarun was never good at anything like that. However, he was blessed with the strength of a great athlete. He was an excellent runner. He would run for hours, be it day or night. Whenever he feels sad and lonely, he exhausted himself by running, thus releasing all his pent-up emotions. At times, he would miss his school bus and would then run to school, which was 5 miles away from his home. He just had one dream: to become the fastest runner in the world. Tarun did not know how to achieve his dream. On the one hand, his parents hated his running and wanted him to concentrate more on his studies, which he never did. On the other hand, he belonged to a middle class family, and Tarun knew that to achieve his dream, he needed an intensive training, the amount for which was well beyond his family's reach. Okay. So, our story is about a student named Tarun. Tarun is a very average student, and besides that, he didn't have any special capabilities or special talents like singing, dancing, painting, or even in acting. As we all know, every parents are very much ambitious about their children, isn't it? Every parent has a lot of wishes about their children, isn't it?
Yes.
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 Yes. So our Tarun's parents too has a lot of wishes about him, but he couldn't meet their expectation. Tarun has one brother and he is studying in a reputed engineering college, and he always makes the family proud. But our poor Tarun couldn't do that. That is his problem. Because of all these reasons, he considers himself as the black sheep of the family. He feels out there. So, it is a universally acclaimed fact that no person in this world is useless. Is it correct? Isn't it? No person
Yes.
in this world is useless. Every person
Yes.
has his own talent or her own talent, her own capabilities. Right? So, our Tarun too has such a capability or such a talent. He could run for hours without getting tired. That is his talent. At times he will feel sadness or he will feel depressed. He will run for hours and thus releases all his negative emotions. And also, when he misses his school bus, he will run up to school, which is 5 miles away from his home, That is such a long distance, right? So he will run to his school, which is 5 miles away from his home. So he is such a talented guy. He can run for hours without getting tired. Our Tarun has only one wish in his mind. What was his wish? His wish is to become the fastest runner in the world. By the by, who is the fastest runner in the world now? Do you know?
Usain Bolt.
Yes. Right, very good. Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt is a Jamaican origin. So, Tarun has only one dream in his mind to become the fastest runner in the world. But he knew very well that his parents won't support his ambition because they want Tarun to concentrate more on studies. And also, Tarun belongs to a very middle class family. And to achieve his dream, he needs intensive training. And for intensive training, he needs money. Being a member belongs to a middle class family, he didn't have that much money. So there's a lot of problems in between Tarun and his dream. Okay, so is it clear for you?
Yes.
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 Okay, so now I will sum up the things we have discussed so far. What's the title of our story?
The race.
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 Who is the author? Very good. Who is the author?
Nisha
Nisha
Punjabi.
Punjabi.
Isha Punjabi.
Good, very good. So I will just sum up the things we have discussed so far. Our story is named as The Race, and the title character of our story is Tarun. And Tarun is a very average student. He considered himself as the black sheep of his family, but Tarun has a talent, the talent to run for hours without getting tired. He has one dream in his mind to become the fastest runner in the world, but he don't know how to achieve that dream because his parents won't support him. They want him to study more, to concentrate in studies more. And on the other hand, he belongs to a middle class family and he didn't have that much money to pay for his training. Okay, so I think it is clear for you, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
ഓഫ് ചെയ്തല്ലോ.
Ah,
Okay. എത്ര മിനിറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്?
മാം 8 മിനിറ്റ് 8 മിനിറ്റ്.
പിന്നെ നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലാസ് അസസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ ആ ഒരു നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തന്നേക്കുന്ന കോമ്പോണൻസിന്റെ ബേസിലാണ് ആ ക്ലാസ് അസസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. സോ ഒന്ന് രണ്ട് പേരും കൂടെ ഒന്ന് റിവ്യൂ പറഞ്ഞേ. ഷഹാന.
നല്ല ക്ലാസ് ആയിരുന്നു. നല്ല ക്ലാരിറ്റി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ ആ ബ്ലാക്ക് ഷിപ്പ് എന്നുള്ളതിൻ്റെ അതിൻ്റെ ഒന്ന് മീനിങ് പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ നല്ലതായിരുന്നു എന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. മീനിങ് എന്നെടുത്ത് പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ. ബാക്കി ഓവറോൾ എല്ലാം നല്ല കണ്ടിന്യൂറ്റി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പോയിന്റ്സ് റെലവൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള പോയിന്റ്സ് പറഞ്ഞു ലാസ്റ്റ്.
ജാസ്മിൻ.
അതാണ് നല്ല ക്ലാരിറ്റി ഉണ്ടാവും. നല്ല എല്ലാം അതിന്റെ പ്രോസസ്സ് ഇതെല്ലാം നല്ല കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എല്ലാം ആയിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ ആ പറഞ്ഞു വരുന്നത് എനിക്ക് തോന്നി ആ ഒരു വേർഡിന്റെ ഒരു മീനിങ് കൂടെ ഇതുണ്ടായ.
വാണി.
മിസ്സേ നല്ല ക്ലാസ് ആയിരുന്നു. ക്ലാരിറ്റി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. പറഞ്ഞ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ്സ് എല്ലാം കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള രീതിയിൽ കൂടെ തന്നെ പറഞ്ഞത്. പിന്നെ ഒരു എനിക്കൊരു കൺക്ലൂഷൻ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റും കൂടെ കുറവുണ്ടായിരുന്നു എന്ന് തോന്നി. പക്ഷേ ബിഗിനിങ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
സോ ആ ഒരു കോമ്പോണൻസിന്റെ ബേസിസിലാണ് ഈ ക്ലാസ് അസസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് കേട്ടോ. അത് റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്തല്ലോ അശ്വതി.
ഉണ്ട് മിസ്സേ.